So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Twitter likes not showing, like count hidden or missing fix. Fix 1 is check the new history tab. Open the X app on your mobile device, then tap your profile icon in the top left corner, select profile from the side menu. Look at the tab menu under your bio. Post, replies, articles. Then tap on the history tab, select the likes subsection inside the history tab to view your liked post. Second fix is clear your app cache. For Android user, long press the X app icon on your home screen or app drawer. Then tap the app info icon, then select storage and cache. Tap clear cache, do not choose clear storage or you will be logged out. For iOS, open your phone setting app, then go to journal, then iPhone storage. Scroll down and tap X. Tap offload app, then tap reinstall app. Third fix is isolate the bug via web browser. Open a web browser in incognito or private mode. Navigate to x.com and log into your account. Then click on your profile icon. Check if your likes load normally under your profile or history tab. If like appear, delete and clean. Reinstall the app on your mobile service. Fourth fix is check platform privacy limitation. X has made all likes completely private platform wide. The likes tab has been entirely removed from public visibility or everyone's L profile. You can exclusively view your own like material. Thanks for watching.